Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 6. Open your English grammar books. Let's start lesson number 5. Phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a set of two words which contains a verb followed by a preposition. Phrasal verb दो words का एक set होता है जिसमें एक verb होता है और उसके बाद preposition आती है. Read the sentences below. Number 1. Stella looks after her sister very well. Stella अपनी sister की बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करती है. Looks after is the phrasal verb. Look is the verb that followed by the preposition. Number 2. John called on his friend on his way to the market. In the sentence, called on is the phrasal verb. Call is the verb and on is the preposition. The verbs looks and called are followed by prepositions after and on. Such words which are followed by a prepositions are called phrasal verbs. ऐसे verbs जिनके बाद preposition आए उसे phrasal verbs कहते हैं. Let's understand. Underline the phrasal verbs in the following sentences. Number 1. I must fill up petrol in my motorbike. Fill up is the phrasal verb. Fill up is the verb that followed by the preposition up. Fill up is the phrasal verb in this sentence. Number 2. War broke out between the two countries. Broke out is the phrasal verb. Number 3. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. Blew up means धमाके से उड़ जाना. Fence barred. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. Blew up is the phrasal verb. Blew is the verb and up is the preposition. Number 2. The storm has blown over. Blown over means come to an end. The storm has blown over. Blown over is the phrasal verb. Practice part A. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Complete them with a suitable phrasal verb from the list given below. Now we will fill these blanks by inserting the phrasal verbs. Number 1. He tried his best to solve the problem, but when he could not, he just dash. Look at these words. The correct one is gave up. Gave up means छोड़ देना, तर्क कर देना. He tried his best to solve the problem, but when he could not, he just gave up. Number 2. The teacher asked all the students dash the homework for the day. Write down. Write down the homework for the day. Number 3. She dashed all the lights before going to bed. Turned off. She turned off all the lights before going to bed. The shops dash after 8 o'clock in the evening. The shops closed down. The shops closed down after 8 o'clock in the evening. Part C. The Pied Piper dashed over the street and all the rats followed him. The Pied Piper stepped into or stepped over. The correct one is stepped into. The Pied Piper stepped into the streets and all the rats followed him. Number 2. Harry always dash with great ideas. Comes in or comes up. The correct one is comes up. Harry always comes up with great ideas. Number 3. He was so dash with his friend's behavior that he decided not to help him anymore. Put on or put off. The correct one is put off. Put off means तंग आ जाना. He was so put off with his friend's behavior that he decided not to help him anymore. Number 4. The car driver lost his control and the car crashed against or crashed on a tree. The correct one is crashed against. Number 5. He was advised to give in or give up smoking. Correct one is give up. He was advised to give up smoking. उसे स्मोकिंग छोड़ने की नसीहत की गई.